Hello, friends. Welcome to our learning session today. Get ready to spread your wings as we explore the fantastic world of bird names. Let's tweet our way through this exciting adventure. Budgerigar. B U D G E R I G A R. Budgerigar. Cockatiel. C O C K A T I E L. Cockatiel. African gray parrot. A F R I C A N. African. G R A Y. Gray. P A R R O T. Parrot. African gray parrot. Lovebird. L O V E B I R D. Lovebird. Cockatoo. C O C K A T O O. Cockatoo. Macaw. M A C A W. Macaw. Conure. C O N U R E. Conure. Amazon parrot. A M A Z O N. Amazon. P A R R O T. Amazon parrot. Finch. F I N C H. Finch. Canary. C A N A R Y. Canary. Parrotlet. P A R R O T L E T. Parrotlet. Quaker parrot. Q U A K E R. Quaker. P A R R O T. Parrot. Quaker parrot. Kites. C A I Q U E S. Kites. Lorikeet. L O R I K E E T. Lorikeet. Eclectus parrot. E C L E C T U S. Eclectus. P A R R O T. Parrot. Eclectus parrot. Rosella. R O S E L L A. Rosella. Pigeon. P I G E O N. Pigeon. Borky parakeet. B O U R K E S. Borky. P A R A K E E T. Parakeet. Borky parakeet. Indian ringneck parrot. I N D I A N, Indian. R I N G N E C K, ringneck. P A R R O T, parrot. Indian ringneck parrot. Diamond dove. D I A M O N D, diamond. D O V E, dove. Diamond dove. Zebra finch. Z E B R A, zebra. F I N C H, finch. Zebra finch. Society finch. S O C I E T Y, society. F I N C H, finch. Society finch. Goldian finch. G O U L D I A N, Goldian. F I N C H, finch. Goldian finch. Java sparrow. J A V A, Java. S P A R R O W, sparrow. Java sparrow. Button quail. B U T T O N, button. Q U A I L, quail. Button quail. Thank you for joining our session today. Feel free to share which bird from our list is your pet. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more thrilling learning adventures. Until we meet again, stay well, take care, and farewell.